Insurance costs are rising, and insurers are becoming more selective. Associations that are prepared and organized can set themselves apart as better risks. Throughout our Reserves and Insurance webinar, the message is clear. You only get one chance to make a first impression. By working with your reserve study provider and your insurance professional, you position your association to minimize premium increases and unpleasant surprises. Because when the right experts are on your team, you don't just manage risk, you can become the hero for your association.
Yeah. I mean, reserve studies are a way to not just plan for your financial future, but also control the risk that you're approaching.
Right. When something gets old, hopefully you have the money to replace it and solve the problem. Okay, well, let me bring this program home. What I think of from this is that insurers are asking more questions. They want to know what exposure are they going to have. Terry described it as a contract, a relationship. And they want to know, what am I finding out? What's hidden? What are the risks? All those types of things. A matter of getting ready. Assemble the documentation, and hopefully the projects are found in the reserve study. The roof got done, the asphalt got done, the docks got done, the sidewalks got done, and make sure that the reserve study is updated and accurate, that all those projects are there. So it's a nice summary document. And as we've heard before, it's going to take some work. It's going to take remembering. But as I heard from Terry so many times, my thinking was, how much money can they save? And she was reminding me, that's not the project. The project is to stay as far away from as possible from being denied. And so, yes, moving towards the preferred risk end of the scale is great. It is going to save you money, but you want to put a lot of distance between your association and being denied or uninsurable. It is expensive. Costs are going up. So the payouts are going up, which means the premiums are going to go up, but prepare for renewal. If you are a preferred risk, you can enjoy lower premiums than the high-risk clients, and that's part of what you are doing. We want to set you up for success, so avoid being canceled. Be as far away as possible from the uninsurable list. And as you're hopefully gathering from being here in our program today, you only get one chance to make that first impression with a new carrier, so put all the polish that you can on to what you're doing for your association. Don't look like you're neglecting, because if you show that you're neglecting, they're going to probably increase the premiums because they're going to say this is a riskier place than the average place. And I show this in just Aspen Creek condos. There's too many associations where the boards are just holding on and the whole association is floating downstream, gradually getting more deteriorated. This is a high-risk place. It's not just expensive. It's a high-risk place for greater expenses and safety problems. So avoid being the Aspen Creek condominium type of association. Get in front of things. So we do want to encourage you to be able to control costs. Your reserve study professional and your insurance professional are on your team. They're going to help guide you forward, because we want you to be the hero for your association. We want you to be the one that can report back, we are now a preferred risk. We're not seeing the increases that other associations are seeing. We want you to know the secret. Eric, tell us a little bit more about you and Prendiville.
So I am actually fairly new to Prendiville Insurance Agency. While I've been in the industry for longer than I care to admit, I've made a recent change to Prendiville. Prendiville has been around for a long time, mainly in Southern California, but they do work in many states. I am located in Northern California, and that's where I do most of my work up here in NorCal. But we specialize in insurance specifically for homeowner associations. And that's kind of what we do. We have, some of you might be familiar with Coverage Corner. I've been doing that blog post for over a decade. It's going to be making a comeback starting next month. So find me on LinkedIn and you will find that blog post. And it's just little tidbits about insurance and HOAs and things that you can do for your community. So find me there.
Again, that's on LinkedIn and it's called
Coverage Corner.
Fantastic. And for anyone interested in reserve study help, you can reach us at reservestudy.com. We've been doing that now for 38 years. You can see free articles and videos on our website and on YouTube. We have a great desktop resource called Understanding Reserves, available on Amazon, $29.99. Summarizes the foundational reserve phase concepts that we help associations with as we guide them down that trail to the future, helping them prepare for planned expenses. And one of our key tools at Association Reserves is UPlanet. It's an online reserve calculator. So once you get your reserve study, you get the PDF, the document, yet you also get access to UPlanet. So you can poke around and see how sensitive it is to the different variations that you might want to dial in as you apply it to your association. And another resource is our weekly 30-minute podcast for board members. It's called HOA Insights, Common Sense for Common Areas. It's designed to encourage and equip board members for the hard work they do leading their associations, setting them up for success and helping them avoid minefields and problems. So you can subscribe from any major podcast platform, or you can listen from HOAinsights.org. And with that, I'll turn the microphone over to Paige, who will coordinate our Q&A time together. At Association Reserves, we make the present less stressful and the future more secure. If you want to join us in this mission, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below on what you'd like to see us address in a future video. Let's plan for your best future.